Hello friends, today I am presenting a review of Cello's Novelty shoe rack. This shoe rack also comes in other various color combinations: blue-gray, red-blue, ice-brown, red-yellow, orange-brown, green-yellow and wood color. This shoe rack have various other features such as this shoe rack is perfect for in-house and out-of-house use. Easy assembly. This shoe rack is also water resistant and termite proof. This shoe rack is lightweight, compact, sturdy and strong. This rack is perfect for storing shoes. Adjustable metal rods, powder coated. It is the joint hold part of rack. And 4 pieces of red color that are already labeled back panel will be fitted at shoe rack back part. This is red color bottom panel and it's already labeled bottom panel. And 4 pieces of blue color that are already labeled front panel will make the doors of shoe rack. And these are rods. And 4 red pieces are side panel that already labeled as side panel, and these builds side walls. This is red color top panel of shoe rack that is already labeled top panel. And installation guide is given on shoe rack pattern. That installation guide should be followed and shoe rack will be assembled. This rack is foldable, portable and durable. Its doors are easy to removable, hence it is easy to clean inside. Its functionality and ease of assembly makes it ideal for homes, offices, hospitals and other places. The dimension of shoe rack is 1225 cross 593 cross 370 in millimeter. It is nearly 4 feet height, 2 feet length and width is 1.2 feet. I have purchased this one in 5,400 rupees online from Amazon. If you want to buy it, I will give the website link in the description box of the video below. Finally friends, you can see most of the footwears are very nicely placed inside this shoe rack. I think this shoe rack has enough space with respect to its size and volume.